What up, guys? This is Pastor Canary again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. And tonight we're going to be talking about array in the DOM. Okay, so when working with the DOM, it's very common to use an array, and array is like object. Let's take a look of a common use of array. Okay, so let's go to our HTML um, file right here. So I added, as you can tell right here on the page, on the website, on the web page. So there is a container. I I put it the main container. I added the class name main container, and then I added three containers. The first one, it says I am cool, one container. Then there is an image, the tomato image. The second container, the third container, there's going to be orange, another image. In the last container, it is the word tomatoes. Okay, and that's what we have. We got I am cool, the image tomato, the image for orange, and tomatoes. Okay, so let's do that. So I added that for a pretty good reason. So we're going to be working with this example. So let's go to our home JS, and right here we are going to do a variable const by the name container equals to document the object that get element by class name. So in here we're going to do containers, right? Container. Okay, cool. Let's end the semicolon, and then let's just do a console log, and then we're going to pass container right here, and then semicolon. Let's save it, and let's just refresh our web page, and let's see our console. Right here. Okay, right here it shows HTML collections, right? But it acts like an array. So if you just click on that arrow, so we have those containers, right? So we got a container, there's a 0 position, the index 0, there is 1, index 1 container. So just telling me right here. So if I select that container, that's I am cool, is the first one. Index number 2, it is the image tomato. Index number 3, it is the image for orange. And 4, in the last container, it is tomatoes, right? So so let's just make one of the images to hide, okay, not to display. So let's just do container that, and we are going to be doing square brackets that are going to do class list that add, and then right here we're going to pass the class. Is that class? Yeah, there is a class d none. This is display none. So basically it will hide that image. So we're going to do d none. Okay. All right. So here we saw the, let's hide the tomato. Tomatoes is index 2. Okay, let's save it, refresh it. I hide it. Okay, that worked fine. So let's just do 3, which is going to be the orange. Okay, that hide it, the orange. And then we can do 4 tomatoes. We can hide tomatoes too. Yeah, see, it's cool. So this is how you can access and work arrays in the DOM. Okay, so that was a very good example. Hopefully this helped you in your journey. It was a very short video, but but there is a pretty good insight in this one. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Bye.